Hey guys, this is the 4th Glock guy, and I wanted to try a function on the Victorinox knives that I've actually never done before. I know there's been videos done on this, but I've never done it for myself, so I wanted to just give it a shot. So anyways, I wanted to try the little wire stripper function on here, which is this little notch there. So basically you're gonna take your wire and just hold it, that notch is gonna kind of hold it in place. And you take your blade and you close it down, and then basically you just do that. The blade kind of cuts into the wire insulation itself. Sorry if that's off camera. And you have a nice little cut there. So that is using the little cutout notch wire stripper function in combination with the blade to strip a wire. So anyways, works pretty good. So yeah, just wanted to see how that worked for myself. Alright, thanks for watching. 4th Glock guy out.